Welcome to this comprehensive module on the facilities and equipment system, a crucial aspect of maintaining quality and compliance in pharmaceutical operations. In this video, we'll explore key components including facilities design and layout, HVAC design, clean room monitoring and filter validation, water systems, equipment qualification, preventive maintenance, calibration, and the importance of teamwork. Let's begin our journey into the heart of pharmaceutical infrastructure. Our journey starts with the design and layout of pharmaceutical facilities. The design must support a smooth workflow, minimize contamination risks, and ensure compliance with regulatory standards. Key considerations include zoning, establishing clear zones for different operations such as production, packaging, and storage to prevent cross-contamination, flow of personnel and materials, designing pathways to reduce the risk of contamination and ensure efficiency, surface materials, selecting materials that are easy to clean, resistant to corrosion, and suitable for the specific activities carried out in each area, lighting and ventilation, ensuring adequate lighting and ventilation to maintain a controlled environment. A well-thought-out facility design not only enhances productivity, but also ensures that high standards of hygiene and safety are maintained. Next, we move to HVAC design, a critical aspect of maintaining a controlled environment within pharmaceutical facilities. HVAC systems manage the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning of the facility, ensuring that temperature, humidity, and air quality are kept within specified limits. Important factors include air filtration, utilizing high-efficiency particulate air, HEPA, filters to remove contaminants from the air, pressure differentials, maintaining positive pressure in clean rooms to prevent the ingress of contaminants, temperature and humidity, control, ensuring stable conditions to protect product quality and integrity, airflow patterns, designing airflow to minimize the risk of cross-contamination. An effective HVAC design is essential for maintaining the integrity of the cleanroom environment and ensuring compliance with good manufacturing practices, GMP. Clean rooms are the backbone of pharmaceutical manufacturing, providing a controlled environment for sensitive processes. Monitoring these environments and validating filters are critical to maintaining cleanliness standards. Key aspects include environmental monitoring, regular testing of air and surfaces for microbial contamination, particulate matter and other potential contaminants. Filter validation, ensuring that HEPA filters and other air filtration systems are functioning correctly through regular testing and validation. Pressure and temperature monitoring, continuously monitoring room conditions to ensure they remain within specified limits. Documentation, keeping accurate records of all monitoring and validation activities to ensure traceability and compliance. By maintaining rigorous clean room monitoring and filter validation, we safeguard product quality and patient safety. Water is a critical raw material in pharmaceutical production, used in everything from drug formulation to equipment cleaning. The design and maintenance of water systems are essential to ensure the supply of high-purity water. This includes water source, ensuring the source water meets baseline quality standards before entering the treatment process. Water treatment, employing processes such as reverse osmosis, distillation, and deionization to purify water. Storage and distribution, designing systems to minimize the risk of microbial growth and contamination during storage and distribution. Quality testing, regularly testing water for microbial content, endotoxins, and chemical impurities. An effective water system ensures that the water used in production meets the highest standards of purity, critical for maintaining product quality. Ensuring that all equipment used in the manufacturing process is qualified and fit for purpose is crucial. Qualification of equipment involves a series of documented tests to confirm that it performs as intended. This process includes design qualification, DQ, ensuring the equipment design meets the required specifications, installation qualification, IQ, verifying that the equipment has been installed correctly and according to design specifications. Operational qualification (OQ). Testing the equipment under operational conditions to ensure it functions as intended. Performance qualification (PQ). Confirming that the equipment consistently performs within specified limits under real production conditions. Proper equipment qualification ensures that all tools and machinery contribute to consistent, high-quality production outcomes. Preventive maintenance is key to ensuring that equipment remains in optimal condition and operates reliably over time. A proactive maintenance strategy includes scheduled inspections, regularly checking equipment for signs of wear and tear, replacement of parts, replacing components before they fail based on manufacturer recommendations and usage patterns, lubrication and cleaning, keeping equipment clean and well lubricated to prevent unnecessary wear, documentation, maintaining detailed records of all maintenance activities to ensure traceability and compliance. By following a preventive maintenance schedule, we can avoid unexpected breakdowns and ensure the continuity of production. Calibration ensures that all measurement instruments used in the manufacturing process provide accurate and reliable data. Calibration involves reference standards, using certified reference materials to compare and adjust equipment readings. Calibration procedures, following documented procedures to ensure consistency and accuracy. Frequency, performing calibration at regular intervals as specified by industry standards and regulations. Record keeping, documenting all calibration activities, including the results and any adjustments made. Accurate calibration is vital for ensuring that products meet their specifications and regulatory requirements. Finally, let's talk about the importance of teamwork in managing facilities and equipment. Successful facilities and equipment management require collaboration across multiple disciplines, including engineering, quality assurance, maintenance, and production. Key elements include communication, ensuring clear and open communication between teams to prevent misunderstandings and errors. Collaboration, working together to solve problems and improve processes. Training, providing ongoing training to ensure all team members are knowledgeable about the latest standards and procedures. Shared responsibility, recognizing that maintaining facilities and equipment is a collective responsibility that requires input from everyone involved. Effective teamwork is the foundation of a well-run facility, ensuring that all systems function smoothly and efficiently. To summarize, the facilities and equipment system is a complex yet vital component of pharmaceutical operations. From design and layout to HVAC systems, clean room monitoring, water systems, equipment qualification, maintenance, calibration, and teamwork, each element plays a crucial role in maintaining quality and compliance. Thank you for watching this module. Your dedication to understanding these systems will help ensure the continued success and safety of your operations. We look forward to seeing you in the next module.